Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Malunggay Pesto. We'll start by gathering all the fresh ingredients, then move on to the easy blending process. You'll learn how to achieve the perfect consistency and flavor, ensuring your pesto is both delicious and nutritious. Get ready to transform simple leaves into a culinary delight. To begin your Malunggay Pesto journey, you'll need about 1 cup of fresh Malunggay leaves, which are packed with nutrients. Next, grab half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese for that savory depth, and 2 cloves of fresh garlic for a pungent kick. Don't forget half a cup of good quality olive oil and a 1/4 cup of nuts, such as walnuts or cashews, to add richness and texture. Finally, a dash of salt and pepper will perfectly balance the flavors. Making Malunggay pesto is surprisingly simple. First, combine your fresh Malunggay leaves, garlic, and chosen nuts in a food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil until the mixture forms a smooth, paste-like consistency. Finally, incorporate the grated Parmesan cheese, along with salt and pepper, blending briefly to combine all the wonderful flavors. Now that your delicious Malunggay pesto is ready, it's time to enjoy it. A classic way is to toss it with hot pasta for a quick and nutritious meal. You can also spread it on toasted bread or crackers for a delightful appetizer. For a unique twist, use it as a marinade for grilled chicken or fish. To store any leftovers, place the pesto in an airtight container and cover the surface with a thin layer of olive oil to keep it fresh for several days in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.